shall we? It's like, what do you bench? What do you curl? Like, I need to know these facts before I start ripping my car apart. Especially when I'm going out to Buffalo Wild Wings, girl. I want to eat. Why does anyone watch me? No. Yes. What? And he told me I smelled like a hamster. And I was like, what do you mean I smell like a hamster? Hey you guys. Back with another Get Dressed With Me. I feel like I haven't filmed one of these in a hot minute. I don't know if you guys really like it. When I post them, you say you do, but I don't know, because no one ever watches them. But I don't care because I love them and I'm going to keep making them for the ones that actually love them. So, hi. Welcome back. I'm getting dressed. 4:15 and I'm getting dressed. We're going out to dinner. I have been just running around all day, getting some stuff done, and I am still living in a very happy moment of the fact that I just changed my own side mirror in my car. I had to take the whole panel of the inside of the door off, and I'm just feeling like I've just never felt this good in my life. I have. I really am feeling so proud, like I want to become a mechanic now. It was just one of those moments when, like, I've never done it. Granted, I watched a YouTube video, multiple, but like I also feel as though how underrepresented women are in the car market, in the sense of, like, the guy was just like, just unclip this and unhook this, and I'm like, but like how much force? Because like my force is different than your force. Like, what do you bench? What do you curl? Like, I need to know these facts before I start ripping my car apart, you know? But it was literally so empowering. I'm just on a high. So, getting dressed, meeting my friend Nailani, her husband, her child at Buffalo Wild Wings for just a quick weeknight dinner, which is like, for me, I don't have to cook. So I just wanted to throw together a really quick outfit. I will show you the picture I'm kind of inspired by, but it's really not inspired by. But I love following her on Instagram. So if you don't follow her, check her out. So let's put together some stuff. But before I do, this isn't sponsored, but Cuts, you know the t-shirt company, you know the t-shirt company. The t-shirt company sent me over 2 of their shirts to try out, and they also offered you guys a 15% off coupon, which is great because they're pricey. But with me, I'm like, if it's a basic, and it is, I mean, you guys know, black and white is like a basic for me, and I wear t-shirts all the time for layering or standing by their own. But they're pricey, so I'm like, I want to try them out. I want to see what they're really like. And I was excited that they offered a coupon. So again, not sponsored, but they did send these over to me. So I'm going to try on both of their, or the 2 tops that they sent me, which I got the slim crew and then the classic crew, one in black and one in white. And I did get them in a medium so that they'd be a little bit more oversized. I don't like super cropped or super tight, but they feel really nice so far. So let's put on our jeans and put on the top, and I will share with you my thoughts. Hold on, I need to get the deodorant stain off. Alright. I also just realized I just like steamed these in my dryer, you know, the little reset dryer or refresh dryer button thing. My sleeve's still a little damp, but that's okay. Alright, I think I got it off. Okay, so this is the classic crew, I believe, just crew neck classic t-shirt. So it's got like a very simple thin band up there. I like where the sleeves hit. They're not a drop sleeve, but they're like a good length, not cropped. It's like the perfect level of, like, you can still tuck it in. This is nice. It's a cotton material, but it's a stretchy cotton, so I feel like it will like not fade and it'll hold up. It does have the little deodorant. It has a little X here, their logo, the Cuts logo. I like this. I'm not gonna wear the black tonight, but I like this. They're like $56, but again, you can get the 15% off discount. But if it's something that, like, I feel like this would be one of those tops, because black tees can be really hard. They just fade really easily, but this material feels like it's not gonna fade. I'll keep you posted, obviously. The breakdown of the fabric is 62% polyester, 32% cotton, or 33% cotton, and then 5% spandex. So I feel like that's why it gives it a little bit stretch, and I feel like it's not gonna fade as much. I don't know, I really like the fit of this. It's a classy fit, honestly. I kind of want the white one in this one now. I think they just launched some new spring colors as well. But yeah. Okay, let's try on the white one. It's wet too. My dryer sucks. All right, and here is the white one. This one's the slim, 94 cotton, 6% spandex. This definitely feels much stretchier. I don't feel like this material is gonna like pill or peel or whatever your terminology is. It's not sheer, this is solid white. It's a thicker material. I like the top ring. I just feel like this is nice, especially going under sweaters, which is what I'm gonna do. I like the length of this. I got this in a medium. Again, I feel like I could have sized up like without a problem. Like I would have, I'm a true small typically, but the way that they showed them on the girls, I was like, I definitely want a bigger fit. I could even go to a large. I love a classic white tee. I think you cannot go wrong. Again, it has the little logo down here. It's subtle. It's not like in your face. I feel like I was afraid it was gonna be like black, but it's not. Yeah, this feels, it feels nice. I don't like tight stuff. If you like tight stuff, like I don't want this part to fit tight. Especially when I'm going out to Buffalo Wild Wings, girl, I wanna eat. Screwed on with my Abercrombie, what are these, 90s ultra high rise straight. I've been having such an issue with the inconsistency of sizing. Like it's insane. I just did an Abercrombie haul, got 26s and they were tight. These are 26s and they're like I'm like, I could have gone to a 25. Not I could have. Like these are comfortable, but I've got room. So how were the 26s like I was busting at the seams like a busted can of biscuits? I don't know. These are not the curve love. These are just the original fit. I think I prefer the curve love, honestly, but I like these. They're kind of in person, like really like a gray wash. A dark gray, not a black, I wouldn't say, but I still like them. Let's layer on this sweater. It's still cold out. It's kind of dreary out. It's not raining right now, but I was thinking, do I like the look of like brown? You guys know I like the look of like a sweater over the top of a t-shirt. I just do. It's always like, am I gonna get stuff all over? Okay, this was what I was worried about. Like you won't be able to see my neckline. And I like that look of being able to see it. I know it's weird, but I don't think this sweater is gonna work. I want to be able to see it at the top or at the bottom, and right now you can't see it at anything. I think we're gonna go back to the drawing board. I really do like this though. Should I go back to the drawing board? Let me look and see what other sweaters I have and I'll be right back. Okay, none of my other sweaters are meeting the vibe I want to go for either, so like, I'm just gonna stretch a little. Yeah, there we go. Why didn't I think of this earlier? Make her an off the shoulder. Yeah, see, I don't know what it is. I just think it gives so much more of like a cozy look. I don't know if it's gonna stay. Chucking myself. And I kind of dig the brown with the black. What are our thoughts? Yeah, I'm kind of digging it. Okay. Do a little tucky tuck. Are you a right tuck, left tuck, no tuck? Tuck tuck. How many times can I say tuck? I'm really committed to the stretching situation. And I don't know, like this is the highest white neck tee I possibly have, so. Unless I wear a dang turtleneck. I even tried to tuck the sweater, but that didn't work. Okay, yeah. There's just something about, you know, the popping, the pop. Okay. Now, I need your help with shoes. And you're not really gonna help me, but I'm just gonna show you options. We're gonna decide virtually together. So I'm either gonna go Veja? I never say it right. Should have heard what I first thought they were called when I first got them. Or Birkenstocks. They're not like a perfect match that I would love in my life right now, but let's try them on and see what I think. I heard on the radio that there's like a lawsuit against Buffalo Wild Wings for like, saying that their boneless wings are wings when in fact they're just like chicken nuggets. And by lawsuit, like I don't know. I don't know if that's actually true. Someone has to relate to me if your like significant other, your partner, your whatever is not super into like social media or just watches like random things on social media like mine does, like bikes and golf, pretty much, that's it. Do you ever like refer to people that you watch on like TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube as like your friends? Like, my friend just did this or just bought that, and he's like, who? And you're like, Well, she's like kind of my friend. I saw her on TikTok. And Scott's like, it doesn't count. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. And then I'm also like, what did I say the other day? Oh, I'll say facts from TikTok. And now I've gotten to the point where I'm like, don't quote me on this. I saw it on TikTok, because at first he would be like, where did you hear that? And I'm like, I read an article, and he's like, I call BS. And I'm like, I saw it on TikTok. Okay. So we've got the Veha, or we've got, I feel like I'm feeling the Veha. Yeah, like this is just too stark of a contrast for my liking. So, cool, because I don't feel like it would get other socks. I brought these socks in because I thought these were gonna be the winner. I'm just like so into my my Birkenstocks again, because I can wear them again because it's not like snowing, you know. I bought them in the fall and I didn't get them until like, I don't know, like October time maybe. And I feel like I couldn't wear them for very long because it started snowing. We've had like the crappiest winter. And by crappiest I mean like no snow. That's my idea of a crappy winter. But anyway, I'm like so into wearing them again. I can't believe I even questioned that I would love them as much as I do, because I literally wear my Birkenstocks for like everything. I've just done like a couple of like spring try-on hauls, like trying to get stuff ready for my spring. I'm like trying to grab this without bending down. Can't believe I'm sitting like this. Why does anyone watch me? My socks don't match my sweater. It's fine, it's in the family. I've been filming a bunch of like hauls because I've been trying to find stuff for my spring wardrobe, and I feel like I wore them with like every outfit with this or with those, but Birkenstock just came out with like a light pair and it's so cute, but honestly I feel like it would get dirty so fast. But if you can snag them up, do, because they're cute. Let's do the finishing touches off with the Apple Watch. How many steps did I get in today? 8,794. I'll take it. Not like I need to be exact, right? Just kidding. I'm just gonna be pulling down my sweater all night. I need to expand my, I'm thinking about getting a new watch, and I'm also thinking about expanding my bracelet collection. I'm like, I've worn this watch so much since I pulled the trigger and bought it for my Apple Watch. And I'm kind of like, is it time for a Rolex? No, I don't think you go from like $100 watch to like a $10,000 watch that fast. Like, there's got to be a couple more baby steps. Am I right? Am I right? Just kidding. Oh. All right, cool. Got them on. But yeah, I really only have bracelets from like Amazon. I keep meaning, my brother was just in town. I keep meaning to tell him to like send me or bring me my mom's jewelry, because we left it in the safe down there instead of, I completely forgot to bring it with me basically. Okay. Also, this little ring I just got from Ana Luisa. It's so cute. So, really into the dainty rings. And then I got my ring fixed. I'm like truly thinking if I want to bring like a gold band for my wedding ring. I don't know what I want to do with my hair. I'm either gonna, it needs to be washed. It's got so much dry shampoo in it. So I'm either going to put it back into that or put it in a clip. But Ana Luisa earrings. I love Ana Luisa. I swear this isn't sponsored. They have worked with me in the past, but I lost my little baby braided golden hoops like this when I was out in St. Patrick's Day. I have no idea. I just like felt for my ear and I was like, I lost it. But they were from Amazon, so I wasn't that upset about them. Which is why I chose not to wear like my nice ones. Okay. Yeah, my hair is filthy. That's fine. On my vlog channel, I was playing around with this new hair tool that I got, which apparently is not new to the world of hair. I'd never seen one before. My mom was a hairdresser. It's like a curling brush. I'm blown away by it. I love it. I styled my hair just like kind of the ends like flipped under or whatever, like a blowout sort of volumized look, and I styled it, what day was it? Friday? Is this still Friday hair? Is this still Friday hair? No. Yes. Do y'all remember the poofs? Were you a poof girl? You know when you just like do this part and you just like poof it up? I feel like they're coming back. This is coming back, mark my words. If bell-bottom jeans are coming back, girl, the poof's coming back. Because I feel like the bell-bottom jeans happened pre-poof. Or maybe at the same time as poof. No, pre-poof. No, I feel like they happened at the same time. Half up, half down. I'm not gonna poof it, but you know the bumpets? The bumpets. Get a little volume, you know, a little poof. A little poof. Y'all, if you have not seen my little short on this, these are the best gloss oil lippy thingies. They're the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Glosses. You need them. This pink one's been one of my faves. I can't find the clear one. I think it's in a purse downstairs. It is. Not I think, but you can tell. I've used quite a bit. It doesn't give you a ton of color, but it's like enough. I already sprayed this on my body because I didn't hit record, but the replica by the fireplace, I need to use this up honestly because it is so old. It still smells good, but I need to use it up because it's so old. But Dossier has their version of this as well, which I'll probably get as soon as this is over. But I was saying that Scott, I was thinking about wearing this one because I want to prove Scott wrong. I don't think so, but he was saying, I was wearing this the other day, like maybe a week ago or something when I first got it because I really like the smell of it. It's the Woody Sandalwood by Dossier. It's the Le Labo Santal 33 like replica. And he told me I smelled like a hamster. And I was like, what do you mean I smell like a hamster? He's like, you smell like a hamster. And I was like, well, I am wearing a new fragrance. And I went and looked, and the middle notes are sandalwood. And he's like, or cedar wood. And they use cedar wood chips in the bottom of hamster cages. I disagree with him. I mean, it's woody, but I think his nose is broken. But he literally was like, you smell like a hamster. I wanted to wear it, but I also don't want him to tell me I smell like a hamster all night. Because I need someone else's opinion. I don't think it smells like a hamster. I love it, so. Yes! Yes! I think this is it. Woo. She's comfy. She's cozy. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm probably going to actually physically wear it, but this is it. It's the vibe. Thanks for getting dressed with me. I love you guys. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.